Just 20 minutes in nature can lower stress levels significantly. Studies show that a short walk under the trees, sitting by a river, or even resting in a garden can calm your mind, slow your heart, and ease your stress. Nature works quietly. It lowers your anxiety without asking for payment, without judgment, without noise. In just 20 minutes, your body remembers what peace feels like. It's not about escaping life, it's about recharging so you can return stronger. So the next time stress weighs you down, step outside, breathe, listen. Because just 20 minutes in nature can change your day. Follow for more inspiration. Bye bye.